heck? What the heck? Oh my god.
Let's talk about amusement parks, like rides and rides in the dark. Rides right here and rides all over, but mostly coasters, mostly coasters. We'll talk about all kind of things, but mostly coasters.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but mostly coasters. It is currently 6:30 a.m. and we are getting ready to head down to Tampa to ride Iron Gwazi. So from the time we parked to the time we got on the ride actually only took about 10 minutes. I would have loved to have gotten more footage of the actual event itself. They had Iron Gwazi themed donuts, Iron Gwazi themed cupcakes. We even got a goodie bag and a fanny pack, both Iron Gwazi themed, of course. So a really awesome time. So I just wanted to say a huge thanks to Busch Gardens for inviting us out to this event, and a huge thanks to Drew from Parks Bros as well. But enough blabber, let's get to the ride.
Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here. I'm with my buddy Mario from Mostly Coasters. We're about to ride Iron Gwazi. Or I guess I should say...
We are riding it right now, yeah.
Oh my goodness. I never thought this day would come, honestly. I'm so...
Dude, I didn't even think about the view we're gonna have.
I know.
It just feels so unreal to finally be on this thing, dude.
Going up over 200 feet in the air on the steepest hybrid coaster in the world. 91 degrees is going to be the drop. Like, beyond vertical. I'm so incredibly stoked for
And the
this.
fastest as well, so
Oh
we're going to
my
feel
God.
that speed in about, I don't know, 5 seconds or so. Unreal. Unreal. And the view is incredible
amazing.
up here. Wow.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Holy heck.
That
felt long.
was amazing.
That felt long,
That felt
too.
like it was
What the
going
heck?
forever. The speed
Oh my god,
just
it
kept
hauled.
going. Oh.
Holy crap. Literally the only place it went slow was like in the stall.
Literally.
And like that's what you want.
But that's exactly what you...
Dude, that is the fastest feeling RMC, and it is the fastest one. So.
Is an incredible addition to Busch Gardens Tampa.
Holy
I would
heck.
argue probably their best. That was amazing. You got to come down to Busch Gardens. I mean, I'm crying.
That exceeded my expectations.
That was
for sure.
incredible.
Holy crap. That, just initial reactions, that was, it is the fastest RMC out there, and boy, you feel it. It's the fastest paced. Mind-boggling. Absolutely insane. But now we're going to switch it up a little bit and do a back row ride. So excited for that. Whoa! What? Look how steep it is. I never even noticed.
That wave turn is insane.
Oh, wow. That view of it's amazing. Was that pre-lift section the 91 degree drop?
Oh,
or what?
no. You ain't seen nothing yet, buddy. Oh,
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Oh!
back. Dude, it's so much more forceful back here.
Yes.
It wasn't even the airtime so much as like, it's pushing you in too. I grayed out like twice, dude. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my god.
It's like really rideable.
I could ride that literally all day.
It's the most intense RMC I've been on. I'll say that right now. That was intense. What the heck? Holy crap. That is just such a very well-rounded coaster. The sense of speed is incredible. The airtime is incredible. The laterals are great, and there are considerable amount of positive forces as well. So really like this ride. Right now we're kind of just checking out the queue and everything else, but we got a front row ride and a back row ride, and both were amazing. So coming in, there's tons and tons of queue space. Really like the design with like the crocodile teeth on the walls, all the purple and green. Really like the color of it. Really like the color of the track too, as you can see here. This is the little pre-drop going into the lift. Pretty interesting in the back, actually. You go through it with a decent amount of speed, and you do get some whip. So while there's not like your traditional RMC pre-lift section where you have lots of waves and bumps, you do have a nice little pop coming down out of the station. So that's nice and fun. Here's the beautiful sign that we've been seeing for a while now. Throughout the line too, you have a lot of different signs with some educational animal stuff. Oh, and you also have Iron Gwazi versus Classic Gwazi, which is fun. That last sign was alligator versus crocodile. I always get them confused, so I'm more than happy to have a reminder there for me. This sign right here with some fun facts and a cute little line drawing of Iron Gwazi. But yeah, really pretty cute. Some nice fun things to keep you entertained to read while you're waiting in line. And then also some phenomenal views of the ride as well. That first drop, you could even call it, is always so weird towards the back. You just hit it so fast, and then the laterals are so shifty and weird. I love it. Alrighty. And you hit the brakes so fast every single time. Holy crap. Oh, that's incredible. That thing is so forceful. I grayed out again. It's just so good. Yeah, wow. So, one more thing that I completely just forgot to film and talk about that I really should have. There's also some really awesome Iron Gwazi merch. And not only is the merch really cool and pleasing to look at, but it is also for a good cause. 5% of the merch sold from Iron Gwazi will go to the Wildlife Foundation, which is really cool. It's nice that the park is selling merch with a cause. I love it. So we just did a couple more rides. We did it, what, row 6 or something this time?
I don't even know.
And it's like, it's almost just as good as the front and the back, dude. It's just,
Well, it's starting to get faster and
It
faster.
hauls so fast that it doesn't matter where you're sitting, because every element is so like incredible and forceful and just like it does not matter where you're sitting.
I gray out every time on this ride.
Dude, after the first drop and like that first turn, you gray out so hard, and then that overbank is so tight that you're just pulling in and out of it so fast.
Every ride at Busch Gardens, I gray out on.
I don't know. It's fantastic. So we're gonna do it. Do another ride. Yeah. I didn't even mention we're also hanging out from Drew. We're hanging out with Drew from Parks Bros and Dylan from Theme Park Obsession. Drew was saying earlier in his video, it's hard to re-ride. It is. It's smooth. I mean, it's as smooth as any other RMC. It's a very comfortable ride experience. It is just a lot. It's a physical task to ride that thing, honestly. But it is amazing. I highly recommend it. But now we're going to go throughout the rest of our day and do other fun stuff at Busch Gardens. So that's going to do it for this one, our adventure at Iron Gwazi Media Day. What a fantastic time and what an incredible ride. You definitely have to get out to Busch Gardens Tampa to check it out and get on it as soon as you can. It officially opens on March 11th, but there are pass holder previews starting now, actually. So check the Busch Gardens website to see when you're able to ride. But before you do that, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot more Iron Gwazi and Busch Gardens content coming soon, including a really awesome Shikra lift walk, which was just an absolutely incredible experience. But for now, thanks for watching and see you later.